to my David family, both Matalom North and South Districts, visitors and friends, good evening.
Good evening.
The Philippines is surrounded by bodies of water. These bodies of water are one of the most valuable natural resources. They provide food in the form of fish and shellfish. Since we are rich in marine resources, seafood has become popular in the food industry. Different coastal cities and other municipalities all over the country hold seafood festival every year. This is an event where people in communities gather in celebration of seafood. Matalom is a coastal municipality that is rich in marine resources. It becomes popular not only just because of the alluring Canindot Island, but it is also because of precious fish and shellfish sold by the fisher folks and fish vendors and the restaurants that serve mouth-watering seafood dishes or cuisines. In here, you can find restaurants and stools offering a variety of the freshest catch, and choose which one you want to eat and how you want them to be cooked. Fishing, fish vending, and seafood restaurants have contributed much to the economy of the town by providing jobs for the local in generating income of the town through tax. They also help Matalom gain its popularity and be recognized as one of the tourist destinations in Leyte. To give honor and due recognition to the seafood establishments and to thank the divine providence for the bountiful marine resources in the area and the countless blessings provided to the fisher folks and fish vendors, Matalom Seafood Festival is held as one of the highlights of the municipal founding anniversary. Specifically, this seafood festival aims to 1. Celebrate the bountiful marine resources the town has. 2. Gain more recognition and attract as many tourists as possible. And 3. Promote and support local seafood industry. Today is just the beginning of Matalom Seafood Festival. Looking forward for more meaningful, fruitful, and amazing festival in the years to come. Congratulations to the organizers of this very significant event. Let us all support our local seafood industry. Mabuhay ang Matalom!
Mabuhay!
Mabuhay ang Matalomnon!
Mabuhay!
Godspeed, everyone!